Hey honeycrunchers, and we're now on day 10 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. And I prepared a very simple nail art for today. So here's a deep dreamy blue shade that will serve as my base polish. And I'm just gonna stamp these ornaments with a white regular nail polish. And after all of that, I applied top coat. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And I'll be uploading day 11, so make sure to tune in tomorrow. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!